When rain mixes with the snow, it can make a heavy load on your roof even heavier. 22 News reporter David McKay spoke with an engineer about just how much heavier it can get.
Some homes have been taking a beating with the winter weather.
We've had to get the roof rake up there several times to take the snow off the roof.
Roofing companies are seeing 3 to 3.5 feet of snow on top of some homes and ice dams that block the gutters. It can put hundreds of pounds of stress on a roof, and with the potential for rain this weekend, there's the potential for adding more weight and stress to your roof. 10 inches of snow on your roof is equivalent to about 1 inch of water. The problem is the snow will absorb that water, which is extremely heavy and dense, creating an even larger problem. Homeowners with flat roofs need to clear the snow more regularly because the snow will not slide off by itself. 22 News spoke with an engineer who said ice dams will not prevent water from running off, but
if you do get infiltration into the side of the house because of the damming, then you can get freezing at night, which then opens up the holes a little bit more, and then it's a cascading problem with more and more water.
If you just get the snow off the edges of the roof, gravity will help do the rest.
With the slant of the roof, it's only going to stay up there so long. At some point, it's going to start to slough off and slide down towards the edges of the house and off onto the ground.
And the ice and snow should start to melt sometime soon, as spring is 4 weeks away. David McKay, 22 News.